Hello everyone, I am Andy and today we'll be reading from Ahlberg's book, The Cat Who Got Carried Away. Early one evening, the Gaskets were at home, sitting side by side on Mr. and Mrs. Gasket's bed. All except Mrs. Gasket. She was in bed. Anyway, there they were drinking tea, eating biscuits, and looking at the family photo album. There was a photo of Gus and Gloria as babies, a photo of Horace as a kitten, and a photo of Mr. and Mrs. Gasket, dancing. On our honeymoon, said Mr. Gasket. But what about us? Were we born then? The children cried. Not quite, said Mrs. Gasket. We had the house to ourselves. Yes, Mr. Gasket smiled. It was delightful. Gloria punched him. I mean boring. And Gus hit him with a pillow. Meanwhile, Horace was outside, sitting on the garden wall, watching the world go by. He saw a boy on a bike, a boy on a skateboard, a woman in a car, and finally, on the other side of the road, a man absolutely whizzing along with a really old pram. And the strange thing was, which Horace noticed, the strange thing was, the pram was barking. The next morning, everybody got up. Gus and Gloria got up and went to school. Mr. Gasket got up and went shopping. What do you think was in that pram from before? Why do you think the pram was barking? Let's find out. Let's continue reading.